Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 Tremor, now coming as a standalone model rather than a package and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and especially 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And the Tremor comes with some unique looks. You've got the unique front grille, the colored tow hooks, you've got skid plates underneath, you've got the vents on the hood here and on the side below the F-150 Tremor. You've got the platform running boards, off-road front and rear shocks, unique Tremor front knuckle, some bigger off-road rims, and some other features. But let's take a look around. Can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have two more cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals with a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, and first just looking around, you've got the orange Tremor accents everywhere, the stitching, you've got the Tremor branding there on the seat. But then looking at your steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And then your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, owner's manual, and trail turn assist, which is unique to the Tremor and the Broncos, I believe. So if you're on a tight road and you need to turn around with some, with a bit more ease, that is there to assist you. And shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, you have your hazards, you have trail control, I believe, for cruising on at lower speeds consistently on rougher terrain. You have your traction control shut off, and moving down you have your media controls as well as your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for, it's going to yell about fuel, but you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite side you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is partially unique to the FX4 package and the Tremor. But then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet, 120-volt power outlet, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more room here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you work in your truck, eat in your truck, and you want a nice flat surface to do that off of, it is certainly there and quite convenient. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which does have a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.